This is my power wall. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Oh wait, too much Full Metal Jacket last night. Hold on. Now this is much better. I finished my power wall setup today. I had a chance to test it. Everything is working good so far. We will take a close-up look of it, see the features of it, and I hope you guys like it. This is the front of the unit, the Craftsman 28 by 28 inch utility box or toolbox or chest or storage or whatever you want to call it. On the front we do have a switch for a USB charging station, and we also have a display for the voltage and the amperage information. On top of that, it displays amp hours, displays how many kilowatts, by how many kilowatts the battery is being charged, how many amps, current voltage of the battery, and the amount of energy that the battery has taken in so far. On the top of the unit we do have main switch for the whole battery pack. It disconnects everything once you turn it off. It's rated for 275 amps continuous, and it can do 1000 amps, I think, for a couple of seconds. In addition to that, we do have an exhaust fan which is being automatically controlled by the devices inside the box. It's a Noctua fan with a large diameter motor body, and it can run continuously almost forever. Main cables coming out, going into the distribution box. Still working on that. I haven't decided what to do with it right now. And then large diameter pipes, conduits for the cables going into the inverters. Now let's go inside the box. You can see the whole of the 48 batteries inside this Craftsman box. The left side houses temperature control for the battery, which controls the fan on the top that we have seen previously. You can set up any temperature. I set it up at 30 degrees Celsius to come on. Obviously it's a winter time right now, so the batteries are sitting comfortably at 22.6 degrees being charged at the moment. And then we see the back side of the USB charger and the switch. Next thing we see is the BMS, actually two of them working in parallel, each capable of doing 120 amps continuous across. Nothing much to see. The white leads are the temperature leads, which I put over here in between these batteries. The next thing we see is DC to DC inverter, which I have installed in order to control the fan, the USB charger, and little control unit, temperature control unit. There in the distance you see the bus bars, which I have made. They're working great. I just did 1 hour test with dryer turned on. I did take pictures. I haven't taken a video of it, and I will post the pictures on the like a forum on the community page of a YouTube. You can take out the pictures. See, looking at it working at about 160 amps. Now for the main part, which are the batteries, you can see that I manufactured the bus bars that go in between the batteries. Now each cell consists of 3 batteries in parallel, and those 3 batteries in parallel are like one cell. Total of 16 cells for this 48 volt sort of system. They are connected by doubled up 4-gauge wires and BMS leads connected to those bus bars. On the end, I decided to use, I think was 0-gauge wire or 1/0. I don't remember which one I ordered. It's one or the other. They are connecting batteries as the other ones in the series. However, these are in the corners, and I decided instead of running these wires, I decided to run one thicker wire, which is rated for 250 amps. On the other side, we do see the amp probe for the little voltmeter, the power meter up front, and other wires going in and out, especially for the little inverter up on top, and other power leads over here to the switch and the USB charger. I hope this gives a better picture of what I'm trying to do. And one more important update. Unfortunately, HOA scored a point and I'm still at 0. I got denied letter about installing the solar panels on the roof. I don't know, am I going to fight it? I probably will try. Don't know how yet. Or should I just sell this house and go get me something where I'm not gonna have to deal with the HOA and the nonsense they create. I will keep you guys posted. I hope you guys like the Powerwall, and I will see you next time with the more tests and information on these LV5048 in parallel. Thanks, and have a good one.